Hey everybody, this is Ginell Cooper, and this is my first video for my new series called Saturday Stitches. I'm going to teach a new stitch every Saturday. It might not be new to you, but it's new to me, or it is just a fancy stitch that maybe some people don't know how to do. Some of them will be simple and some of them will be a little tougher, but this one is super simple, and this is called the lemon peel stitch. I love the way it looks. Just to let you know, I did start off my lemon peel stitch with a this is a foundation single crochet. So if you need to know how to do that, please go back to my Technique Tuesdays or Tuesday Techniques video showing how to do foundation rows. So just so you know, foundation single crochet on the bottom of this. And then you go right into the stitch. So I'm going to teach you how to do it. You're not going to believe how easy it is. What you want to do on your lemon peel, I think of it as orange peel because I chose orange yarn for it, but it does look a little bit like a citrus peel of some kind. First you want to do is you want to chain up one when you're starting the row. You're going to single crochet into the first one, and then you're going to double crochet into the next one. And you're going to just repeat that all the way across. I'm stitch marking because this tends to go downward, so when I come back, this looks like the last stitch when actually that is. So I'm stitch marking, and if you want to know anything else about stitch marking, I also did a Tuesday Techniques on that as well. So single crochet, double crochet. What you're gonna do, just keep going, single crochet and then double crochet. What you'll find is, because you're doing this in an even number of stitches, which is, I probably should have told you at the beginning, make sure that when you start off, it's an even number, right? So you're going to end the row with a double crochet, but then when you turn it, you're going to come back and do a single. So you'll always be doing a single crochet on top of a double and a double on top of a single. So if you get lost, just look for the tall one, that one you know that you need to do single crochet on top of, and the short one gets a double crochet. Okay, so I'm coming up on the end of the row here, and what you want to make sure is that because you started this row, you did them all in even numbers, right? So the base was an even number. You started the row with a single crochet and then a double crochet. You should also finish the row with a single crochet and a double crochet. I marked it because sometimes it's hard to see. So, and I think that marking it gives you that nice edge there. So I think it's super important. So we're going to do a single crochet, and another way to tell that it's right is that is the double crochet that's really tall, right? So you should always have the single crochet on top of a double crochet and a double crochet on top of a single. I hope that makes sense. So single crochet, I'm going to take out my little mark here, double crochet in that last stitch, and then that's the end of your row, and then you're going to chain up one, turn it, and then you're going to do the same thing going back, but now you're on top of a double crochet right here. So you're going to do, single crochet into the double, and then there's the single, you're going to double crochet into that. So they're always stacked opposite. Single crochet into the double and double crochet into the single, just like that. Don't forget to mark that first single crochet that you did so that when you come back, it's obvious where you're supposed to end. Okay, so that is the lemon peel stitch. I hope you like that. The next stitch I'm going to teach, because I'm actually going to do two for my first Saturday Stitches series. The next stitch I'm going to teach is the alpine stitch, which is, I just learned how to do it, and I'm telling you, it's probably going to be my very favorite stitch, and I think it'll be the one that I'm going to use on the poncho that I'm going to teach you all too. So stay tuned for that, and be sure to, if you like these Saturday stitches, be sure to like the video and then subscribe or leave me a comment. Any of those things makes me happy, and then you can join us also on our Facebook group at Ginell's Quarantine Crochet if you like. Thanks for watching.